Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to make pause effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. On the timeline I have a clip. Let's look at this, and for example in this moment I want to make a pause effect. So at first we should take a razor tool and click on this moment. After that our right part of video drag a little bit right. And now click the left button of mouse in this moment and choose Insert Frame Hold Segment. And now we have only one frame static. Now we can drag our right part of video up to our static frame, and now we have something looking like a pause effect. Also, you can make this pause a little bit longer or smaller. Thanks for watching, subscribe to channel and have a nice day.